Moving on now, let's shift focus to what's happening in Mumbai. The city is expected to witness some major traffic chaos on the road because a mega march has been organized by the Maratha community. Over 3 lakh people from across various parts of the state are assembling in Mumbai to demand reservation in jobs and education. Now, their other demands include amendment in the SC/ST bill to stop its misuse, loan waiver to curb farmer suicides in the state, and higher prices for agricultural produce. The Maratha Kranti Morcha will begin from the BMC's Jijamata Udyan and they are all expected to culminate at Azad Maidan in South Mumbai. Just take a look at the sea of people there. Massive show of strength by the Maratha community. Several arterial roads and flyover will also be used by the members of the Maratha community. In fact, the protest march has been organized by the Sakal Maratha Samaj, which is an umbrella organization of several Maratha groups. Okay, we're just showing you the map for the benefit of our viewers, and these are the locations from where this march will be passing through. Schools, in fact, have been shut in South Mumbai as a precautionary measure. The Central Railway too has made elaborate arrangements to deal with the rush, which is expected on account of this protest march.
ये सबसे बड़ा मोर्चा है और ये मोर्चे के बाद सरकार जो मराठा मोर्चे के लीडर लोग निवेदन देंगे, उसे जो पहली बात है आरक्षण की, उस पर सरकार जरूर सोचेंगी और मराठा समाज को न्याय देंगे, ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है.
I'm right now at the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus, and as you can see, the entire city has been turned into the Maratha flag. There are flag adorning the CST building. They're about everywhere that you see. The entire Maratha community is on the roads in Mumbai. In fact, this entire important arterial road has been blocked just for this rally. Just about every other vehicular traffic which has to travel across Mumbai have been diverted to other locations since the last 2-3 days. Mumbai police has been telling the people in Mumbai to use alternate modes of transportation, preferably not vehicular transportation. And as you can see, people right here at the rally, which is just about to start, the rally which is supposed to start at Baikara has not even begun. It is right here that everyone will be coming together to go towards Azad Maidan, which is a little ahead, and there the entire stage has been erected for the participation of the protest rally by the Marathas. With cameraman Rohit in Mumbai, Vidya for India Today.
Right now I'm standing in Mumbai's Azad Maidan, where we can say that this is a concluding point of 58 of silent Maratha. From past 1 year, Maratha community is doing this kind of silent protest across the Maharashtra. So far, have done 57 rally, and today is the 58th rally which is happening in Mumbai. This is the end point. This rally will start from the Baikala Zoo. The distance is somewhere around 5 to 6 kilometers, and all the community people will start their march from the Baikala Zoo and they will conclude here at the Azad Maidan. The organizers are expecting that more than 8 lakh people will take part in this rally, and these people will come not only from Mumbai but across the other parts of state also, and nearby Mumbai, the other places like Thane, Kalyan, Dombivli and Navi Mumbai. The basic demands for which Marathas are doing this rally is that the demand number 1 is that the community people, the Maratha community, should get 16% reservation, not only in government job but also in education. And another big demand which they are asking, that the Kopardi case should get immediate result, which is right now happening in a fast track court. That we saw that the minor was raped in Kopardi, and that minor was from the Maratha community. So basically these two demands they have, and they are doing these protest rallies across the state. 57 rallies so far they have done, and today is the 58th rally. So they are expecting over here more than 8 lakh people. The uniqueness of this rally is that this rally is not being anyone, there is no other, there is no one group leader or any political leader. This is the community who has come together and they have formed this. This silent protest march is always got some kind of in an organized manner. They usually do it. If we talk about the protest march, in first stage there are school-going students who lead this march, and after that there are females, there are boys. and at the last, they have the political. So no political leaders get a chance over here to come and do any kind of political speech over here. That's the uniqueness of this rally, because this rally has been organized by community itself and not driven by any political party or any political person. In Mumbai, with camera person Sameer Shanbag, Mayuresh Ganpate for India Today.
Let's go straight across now to Mayuresh, who was giving us an account of this massive Maratha protest that has been organized. Mayuresh, you know, that's commendable. This is the 58th protest march, lakhs of people congregating at Azad Maidan and everything, touchwood, going off so peacefully.
Certainly, Avantika, you can see here also where I'm standing at Azad Maidan. Behind me, you can see it's a sea of people. You can see the Maratha flag, the saffron Maratha flag. These people have gathered here not only from Mumbai, but the people have come from Latur, Aurangabad, nearby Mumbai, places like Thana, Dombivli, Kalyan, Vashi. We have an ex-cop with us, we have ex-SCP with us. Let's go to him, let's ask him, what do you think, how much people will come over here this time? Because the uniqueness of this rally is that it is not a political driven, or there is no political leader who is leading this rally. So how much people do you expect this time?
We are expecting more than 50 lakhs, at least 50 lakhs.
So as you can see that people are expecting people to come over here, the crowd which will come over here in the back. Earlier we've been told that 7 to 8 lakh people will come over here, but now the number is growing. People are saying 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, that's what they are saying. But if you could see the visuals of the rally which has started from the Michael, it's a really peaceful rally. There is a discipline in that rally. If you see the organization of that rally, the clear that at the first there are some girls from the school, they are leading this rally. After that there are people from the Maratha community, then the boys, then the men, and last you have the political leaders at this rally. So there is no chance for any political leader to come in front and make any political speech or lead that rally, because this rally is from Maratha community and not by any particular leader. We are expecting that 1.5 hours the rally will reach over here, because they have already reached the JJ Bridge. The distance is 3.5 kilometers from JJ Bridge to Azad Maidan, and here they will come and they are going to give their say or request either to the collector or to the CM that we need.
Okay.
Also, right now the assembly session is also on, so it will be very interesting to see that what kind of statement Maharashtra government or Devendra Fadnavis makes about this particular rally, Maratha, because the Maratha reservation case is in the court. So it would be interesting to see that what stance Maharashtra government takes after this massive rally. Back to you, Avantika.
Okay, a massive mega rally being organized by the Maratha community, wherein lakhs and lakhs of people are participating. Mayuresh, we leave it at this. Thanks so much. I'll keep coming back to you for further updates.